This is the way to make potato chips. First of all, you will start with an empty red basket. Now you will put a lot of potatoes inside of this basket. All done. Now you will wash these potatoes. While washing the potatoes, you will keep a new basket near so you can put the washed potatoes inside. This basket is going to be used to put the peels inside. All done. Now it's time to peel these. Yeah, let's choose a knife. This one. Now start peeling this. This process may take a lot of time, so I'm going to cut this part out. I have to change my knife because it's really weak. So let's choose which knife. Maybe this one. Sorry, I was supposed to change my knife again. I'm pretty happy with this one. I was supposed to change the knife again. I don't know why. These bees are killing me. And guys, when you're done peeling one potato, go into your pantry, find another basket, take the basket, and put your potato inside the basket. Whoopsies! I peeled a rotten one. Now let's go and bring the new one. First, let's throw this one out. Oh, should we rot it or compost it? Let's go compost it. And there it goes. Now let's go grab a new one. Perfecto! Well, I feel kind of thirsty. Problem solved. Somebody's here. Okay, the chips will be ready. I will serve you. Look at this one I just found. Isn't that cool? All done. Now we will wash the potatoes. Now we will take a dish. Now you will preheat your pan. Now you will put the oil inside the pan. Now that the flame is on, let it heat up. While we're gonna slice these potatoes inside of the slicer onto the dish. Now this is how the system's gonna work. You're gonna take this potato, put it inside the slicer, and then you're just gonna pull it and it's gonna land over here. Like that. I converted the potatoes from over here to in here. Once you're all done, you're gonna put some salt. Now we mix. The oil we left for preheating is bubbling up. And now we wash. And now you're just gonna let the water drain into the sink. Now you're gonna check the oil heat for the potato so you think it's nice. So now we're gonna put more. Keep your distance, kids. This is a strainer thing you're gonna use to take out the potatoes chips from the oil. Now you're gonna let these cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. In the time being, you can play some basketball. Back to the chips, just give them a little bit of stir. Let me give this tea to my mom. They're getting nice and golden. Now I'm gonna let these on for about 3 more minutes. Now it's time to garnish the plate with some paper. Now I'm gonna take this and put my ketchup. Now I'm all done garnishing the plate. Now we're gonna put these over there. Now you will season it with some salt. All done. Now you will serve this to your sister, because I know probably your sister told you to make these. Sister, do you like it? Taste it.
Yeah, I like it.
You now taste it.
Where is that?
How is it?